Hey guys, today I went to Hollywood Plaza. We went to Boost and we got some Boost. I got Mango Magic. My dad got Protein Supreme because he likes his muscles. And now we're going to be opening two Evolutions pack. So let's get cracking into these. I like always going with the left side. Here's the code card. Here's the code card. So 1, 2, 3, and a Charmeleon, a Professor Oak's Hint, a Nidoran, an Onyx, a Nidoran, a Poliwag, a Leaf Energy, a Red Attack, a Reverse Super Potion, and a regular rare Arcanine. Okay, put it in here. Let's get into the last pack. Oh, that was easy. It's not as hard as the last one. Oh, that's okay. Here's the code card. One, 2, 3. Misty's Determination, Revive, Haunter, Magikarp, Energy, Lightning Energy, Caterpie, Ghastly, Diglett, Reverse Charmeleon, and a Dugong. So the best ones, because I like this Reverse Charmeleon. It's really nice. If you check out my other video, I pulled the Holo Charizard. Check it out. It was cool. And this one, Arcanine, was pretty cool. So these were great cards to pull in the set, but next time we'll do it again, but hoping 4 of them, so that will equal 16. Now the Japanese cards. Here's Esper, I think. It's Japanese. As you can see the difference on the backs. They got all the energies. We don't. We just got like swirly stuff. And this one's got the golden background and silver. And this is from a deck, Emperor deck. Same here, a Growlithe. So yeah, this is like the mattress I got him from. So yeah, we got Esper.
What difference is in Japanese language?
So Japanese language, they got the same but with attack. It shows you in English, but with the the other ones, they have Japanese writing. The energies are the same. So that's them. Let's go into all these ones. So there's a new one. Energy Retrieval, Great Ball, Switch. And then let's get to the last, second to last one. And this one's got white ones. It's got the white ones. See, the energies are completely different to the energies in ours, as you can see. So, yeah. The last one is the water ones, Togepi ones. Sorry guys, I was just doing it too fast. So that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, leave a comment, and like. See ya. Bye.